Today we are going to stay in the newspaper on June 23rd, 2021. We'll see the before going to the articles. What are the contents of today news? Here, Gopkar Alliance leader decided to attend the meeting with Modi, countering a political act that has a legal grab. Chores and conversation: how to keep children engaged. BRO remaining town spark hunger in Arunachal. House panel for study on the malnutrition. Delta Plus is a variant of concerned government. Right to life should take priority NHRC. These are the seven content. We'll see these articles in news one by one. First year, Gopkar Alliance leader decided to attend meeting with Modi. In this article, first you have to see what is Gopkar Alliance. This concept is important. The People Alliance for Gopkar Declaration was formed known as Gopkar Alliance. This is People Alliance Gopkar Declaration. What is it? It is a political alliance between the multiple mainstream regional political parties of Jammu and Kashmir aimed at safeguarding and restoring special status along with the Article 35A of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. In this article, you have to be remember what is the Gopkar Alliance. This is related to the Jammu and Kashmir, and here they are inviting from the Union Home Minister meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, senior leader of Gopkar Alliances, including National Conference, the People of Democratic Party, and they are decided to attend the meeting with Narendra Modi. You have to remember in this article Gopkar Alliances. Next article is countering a political act that has legal grab. In this article, here you have to see in what is going here means 2 days back issues, the Lakshadweep, what and all the issues is going like Gunda Act and Regulation Bill and cow slaughtering, and one more thing, the two child only eligible for panchayat member, and many like newses are the political parties introduced in the Lakshadweep. Based on that one, there is a violence is going between peoples against to the administrative of Lakshadweep. In this article, they are telling the Lakshadweep was recently booked for the alleged offence of sedition and statement prediction to national integrity. You have to be focused in this article. What they are telling means what is sedition? What is mean by sedition? You have to see. Sedition Act come under the section 124 of Indian Penal Code is defined as any action that brings or attempts to bring address or contempt towards the government of India and has been illegal in India since 1870. You have to see in this article why they are talking about sedition. We have to see the background and implications. Here, the Mr. Sultan Khalid Azan have used the word of bioweapon in a television discussion about the recent development in Lakshadweep and its draft reform. He using the word of bioweapon, it will be against to the government of India. These words like that, if they are used means they can put sedation on them. That's what putting sedation against to the this person in this article they are telling. And one more thing, we'll see historically background of sedation when it came when they started to putting a sedation law on the person. We'll see sedition law were enacted 17th century England when lawmakers believed that the only good opinion of the government should serve as a bad opinion were detrimental to the government and monarchy. Here you can see in 17th century only the England introduced the sedition law to give the good opinion to the government. This sentiment was borrowed and inserted into the Sedition 124A of IPC in the 1870 by the British. British used sedition law to convict and sentence freedom fighters. First used to prosecute Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1897. Here you can see the history of here they are telling like how like a sedition under the section 124 of Indian Penal Code was inserted in the code of 1870. In this great trial of 1922, the Mahatma Gandhi charged, you can see here historically Mahatma Gandhi also charged with the sedition, described the prevention self of the friends among the political sections of IPC designed to support the liberty of the citizen. Gandhiji is an himself was a lawyer, made 2 points is a statement given to the March 18, 1922. One is admitted his charge of preaching disaffection towards then existing regime. Two is an justified his act as said that it was his duty to do so. It is a sin to the have affection for the system of British rule. In this article, we'll see the Mahatma Gandhi only charged under sedition law in 1922. And here they are telling the jurisdiction actions of case of sedition is frequently intentionally registered solely based on words spoken, written or tweeted. You can see the anyone they are like using bad words against to the government, like they written any words like rash any words they written or spoken means they can put sedition. And here in this article they telling that person is used bioweapon. What because of that one they charged him as a sedition law. Here, one more thing is very important we have to focus. National Crime Record Bureau between 2016 to 2019, there was a 160 increase in the registration of sedition cases, whereas conviction rate during this period fell 33.3% to 3.3%. Thus, process itself become the punishment. We'll see what is National Crime Record Bureau. Here we can see the Supreme Court wise. In 1962, Supreme Court decided on the constitutionality of the Section 124A is in Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar. In this case, it is important. It upheld constitutionality of sedition but limited its application to acts involving intention or tendency to create disorder, disturbance of law and order for incitement of violence. It distinguished three from very strong speech are the use of the vigorous words strong critical of the government. Already I told here against to any government they using very strong speeches. That time they can put sedition act. In 1995, the Supreme Court in Balwant Singh versus State of Punjab held that the mere sloganeering which evoked no public response did not amount to sedition. Why sedition law should be repealed means sedation leads to sort of unauthorized self censorship, but for it procedure and chilling affect the free speech. Suppresses what every citizen ought to do in the democracy, raise question, debate, disagree, and challenge the government decision. Sedition systematically destroyed the soul of Gandhi philosophy that is right to dissent. And already I told the National Crime Record Bureau, you will see about this one. The National Crime Record Bureau is an Indian government agency responsible for collecting and analyzing the crime data as defined by the Indian Penal Code and special and local laws. You have to remember this is an agency of government responsible to collecting the analyzing crime data under the Indian Penal Code, what are defined in the Indian Penal Code. The National Crime Record Bureau is an headquarter in New Delhi and it is part of Ministry of Home Affairs in Government of India. And it was set up in the 1986. The National Crime Record Bureau was formed by the merging of the Interstate Criminal Data Branch, Directorate of Coordinating and Police Computer, and Central Fingerprint Bureau of CBI. As a part of NCRB, evolved that a crime and criminal tracking networking system was approved in the 2009 and digital police portal was launched in 2017. This is about in this article. We have to remember what is sedition, then when they will put sedition law against to the person. And one more thing we have to remember National Crime Record Bureau. This is also important. Next article is chores and conversation how to keep children engaged. This article they are going to talking about this about children in this situation. This is very challenge to the parents also children also because nowadays we can see the COVID-19 crisis. There will be lockdown so many days. Children they are not going schools and their education is stopped and their activities their daily school life and they are not getting that motivation and all. In this article it's in coming days how it will be challenge to the children to, especially like 4 to 6 years group children, they have to be finding hard to focus during the online classes and all. This is very challenge too, we can tell, because they are watching a screen every time, the mobile phone and laptop and all, means that time they are not getting that enough sleep and all. They are not concentrating during the classes and all. This is difficult to learn the process of through online classes. Here we can see what they are telling and what the parents should do and what the support should do and how the children they have to motivate and they are talking. And one more thing, children with the, here we can focus on this one. The children with learning difficulties, this hasn't been possible during the pandemic. Children with the dyslexia and dysclaxia, etc., have specially hard at the time like this. It is become the almost entirely the parent response to help the child with their themselves are a overburden with no daycare center, after school and centers, play data, sleepover, and so on. It is become the task the parents to help their children to educate. This is about the school children, and after that we can see the higher school student have the reportedly different issues. In this, they have been challenged in the learning the objects and laboratories and field visit. The graduate schools without having met with the friends over years, they are problem for the students of enjoying being in home. Otherwise they are more challenged to re-enter social life, should do slowly in the entrance exams have been postponed the college admission. This is how difficult they are talking about, like school children's and higher school educations, how they are facing an online classes and coming days it will be difficult to, again they have to mingle with normal schools, colleges and all. They are, because they are every day they watching online classes, means that screen is affect for their children eyes also. This is difficult to bring them back, and they are addicting the mobile phones. Instead of watching online classes, they are addicting games and all. This is big challenge to the parents also. If parents are proactive and positive, this could have big impact their children. Children speak up quickly on parents fear, so it is important for parents to remain calm and patient and meet their children concern and age approach manner. It is parents show their children to will learn to be that way. In this article they are telling the how can parents they can help, means they have to behave with children very calm and cool. They have to support them learn in home only. This is like a disaster like that in pandemic situation. This is a long time process. Already we are in second wave, third wave also commences. It's difficult to reach children. This overall article telling here it's they are addicting the screen seeing. This is again difficult to bring them to back the normal days, but parents should help in this situation. Next article is BRO renaming town parks hangar in Arunachal. In this article, you have to focus about what is the BRO. The Border Road Organization has various organizations in the Arunachal Pradesh the wrong way by renaming a town in the state of showing as a part of Assam during the program intended to defense showing remaining its state and showing its part of Assam. Here we'll see what is the BRO. Functioning under the control of Ministry of Defense since 2015, the BRO is engaged to road construction to provide connectivity to difficult and inaccessible region in the border area of the country. This is one of giving the connectivity to the inaccessible regions to border area. It is stopped by the officers and troops drawn from the Indian Army, Corps, Engineering, Electrical and Mechanical Engineering, Army Services Corps, military, police and army personnel as extra regimental employment. Engineering service and personnel from the General Reserve Engineering Forces from the parent cadre of the Border Road Organization. This organization maintaining operation in the 21 state of UT, Andaman and Nicobar and neighboring countries such as Afghanistan, Bhutan and Myanmar and Sri Lanka. The BRA operation is maintaining over 32,885 km per road and about 12,200 meters of permanent bridge in the country. This is important data. And what is the significance of BRO? The Border Road Organization has played a very important role in the both maintenance of security and in the development of border area. Most of the development in northeastern state of India can be attributed to the relentless work done by the BRO. Apart from its work in India, the BRO has undertaken work in the numerous countries, thus having contributed immensely towards maintaining friendly and diplomatic relationships. The highly skilled BRO personnel undertook and successfully completed construction of example here you can see the Delarama Georgi Highway in Afghanistan 2018. This is coming under BRO. The Farakar and Haini air bases of Tajikistan were also restored and repaired by the BRO. The BRO works in close association with the Indian Army in the case of natural disaster. This is about Border Road Organization of BRO. Next article is House Panel for Study on Malnutrition. The data needed to assess the impact of COVID-19 stunting and wasting the levels. In this article, we can see what is the malnutrition. Before going to this one, the Parliament panel on the Minister of Women and Children Development to conduct the survey on the impact of pandemic, Anganwadi services and malnutrition level among the children. The Parliament Standing Committee Education and Women, Children, Youth Sports shared by Youth Sports. Here they are telling learn to have read official ministry and needed to data understand how Anganwadi services were delivered on the ground during the pandemic and to assess the impact of COVID-19 stunting and wasting levels according to these members. Well, government and launched app called a Pushan Tracker. This is important. We have to remember what is the push and tracker. We'll see the purpose of push and tracker application is to provide a 360-degree view of the activities of the Anganwadi centers, services, deliveries of the Anganwadi workers, and complete beneficiary management of pregnant women and lactating mothers and children. In this article, we can see with government has launched app of push and track to monitor and deliver service of 14 lakh Anganwadis and official told the panel as data is being uploaded only from June 1st onwards. Malnutrition, one of the most important challenges facing the contemporary India. Nutrition is acknowledged as central to the achievement of national and global sustainable development goals. Optimum and appropriate nutrition is an essential for women and children to survive and break the intergenerational cycle to poor health and poverty in the community. The government has announced the surplus of 10 lakh from PM Cares for such children. There has been no spending from PM Cares at the responsible of ministry where obligation in this article they are telling. Have to remember the malnutrition and what is the push and tracker app and how this scheme is working. Next article is Delta Plus is a variant concern government. Already we saw the AY1 and AY12, the vaccine AY1 is came from the Maharashtra and Telangana. Already we saw about this one news and here they are telling about concern of government. The health minister significantly upgraded the reception of AY1. In this article, we can see emerging Delta plus variant of concern just hours after the health secretary here they are telling national empowered group of vaccination variant of interest. A variant of concern carries highest treat perception of the coronavirus variant, which is characterized by the increasing ineffectivity and transmissibility of the resistance to the vaccine and treatment. Here, the World Health Organization is telling had the classified variant Delta B.1 B1617.2 as well as an AY1.1 and AY.2 is an variant. Delta plus is a variant is sometimes referred to as an informal name. So, for only the international variant concern with the offshoot in AY1 data and AY12 is classified as a delta. In this article, we can see this is an alpha and gamma and delta. They are telling about the concern to this variant. Delta variant is variant of concern and has been found in 80 countries, Delta plus in 9 countries, and the novice category variant in interest, and it is said to be variant concern category. Here you can see a scientist connected within a consortium INSA COG Indian Source Code 2 Genomic Consortia told the condition of anonymity that is AY1 was a always variant concern but was wrongly classified by the health minister. In this article we can see the recent that variant is we saw AY1 dot about what is the concern of government. Here, next article is right to life should take priority to NHRC. Already we studied what is NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. Here why they are telling about NHRC means you have to see National Human Rights Commission chairperson of Arun Kumar Misra telling here the right to life should prevail over the right of patent holders so that life-saving medicines and vaccine for COVID-19 should be available to the poor. Recently, we saw the medicine patent, some vaccination medicines patent to be mentioned in Narendra Modi discussed in the G7 meeting. Here they are telling about the right to life of should prevent the poor also. The patent of the vaccinations medicines are important. Online discussion and topic of the state response to the COVID-19 pandemic has been a part of 47th session of United Nations Human Rights Council. Here you can see the affecting human rights. This is the pandemic is affecting the human rights because of it's not distributing to the equal to the everyone vaccines and medicines and all. The concern of this COVID-19 pandemic time, here human rights is most important to get everyone vaccine and all are equal should be maintained. This is today Hindu newspaper. Thank you for watching. Start from basic learn until death. Keep learning.